In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download as CMYK in Canva. If you're preparing a design for professional printing, exporting in CMYK helps your colors look closer to what will appear on paper. CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and key black, the four inks used by printers. By contrast, screens display RGB, which can appear brighter and more vivid. Switching to CMYK at export time helps align your digital design with real-world print output. Start by opening the Canva project you want to print. Give it a quick review to make sure everything is final. Text is spelled correctly, images are high quality, and important elements are placed where you want them. When you're ready, look to the top right corner of the editor and click Share. This opens a panel with collaboration and export options. From there, choose Download. Depending on your interface, you might see a download button right away. Either route takes you to the same export settings. In the File Type menu, change the format to PDF print. This matters because the CMYK option is tied to PDF print. You won't see CMYK for formats like PNG or JPG. Once PDF print is selected, locate the Color Profile section in the panel. Click it to reveal the available profiles, then select CMYK. This tells Canva to convert your design into the printer-friendly color space during export. With the file type set to PDF print and the color profile set to CMYK, click Download. Canva will process the file, which can take a moment for larger or image-heavy projects. When it's finished, your CMYK PDF will be saved to your computer and ready to share with your print provider. Before you send it off, open the PDF and preview it at 100% zoom. Look for any unexpected shifts in color, especially in very bright or neon areas, which can appear more muted in CMYK. That's normal for print. To keep results crisp, use high-resolution images in your design and clean, solid colors for text and key elements. If color accuracy is critical, view your design on a well-calibrated display or ask your printer for a hard proof before running a full batch. If you don't see the color profile option, make sure the file type is set to PDF print. Interface labels can change as Canva updates, but the flow remains the same. Share, download, PDF print, choose CMYK, then download. And that's all there is to it. You've exported your Canva project as a CMYK PDF, ready for high-quality printing. Thanks for watching and happy printing.